We need to take you to the best universities. While we are still fighting to transform quality of education in South Africa, we must take you outside to the best universities, acquire the skill, come and help to industrialize the economy of South Africa. You can benefit from these resources. Here in Western Cape, we must nationalize the oceans so that fishing, let me tell you, fishing, which is a big business, by the way, can employ many of you, can create jobs for you. Perlemoen is your diamond. So people say, no, if you nationalize, Americans won't do business with you and all that. There are alternative markets in the world. China is one of them. And those Chinese people, they want Perlemoen, but it helps them with other things. So we can sell it to them alone. And let me tell you, Chinese constitute 15%, a quarter of the world population. If you have China, you have a quarter of the world population. It means you've got a proper market. You don't have to be all over. You've got a targeted market. In Zimbabwe, when they nationalized their tobacco industry, the Europeans withdrew and said they can't buy tobacco of Zimbabwe, which was owned by 4,500 white families. The Chinese came in and bought the tobacco, and that tobacco today is owned by more than 40,000 African families in Zimbabwe.